All right, so I'm up on the roof here. We're gonna take a quick walk around and talk about a few things. First off, these architectural type shingles. This is a 30-year roof, so yeah, shouldn't have to worry about that for at least 30 years. Um, as far as the installation goes, the roof covering seems to be in good shape. A few other things have to do with the roof, but not necessarily the roof. Like this rain gutter here, and this is like this on the other side too. There's end cap is missing here, and so yeah, I would think that when the rain comes and starts to rush this way, you know, it could shoot out and back up under there. And also, if there's no end cap, why is there an outlet in here? So there really should be an end cap on here. Also too, you have the gutter here isn't it's sort of like wavy, and you can get rainwater to go behind your gutter. Right here it's not a big issue. I'll show you out front where it drips down onto like a walkway, that, you know, in the winter time, you know, ice can build up. So also there's a significant amount of debris on the roof. You can see right here and here, you know, there's nails and lots of nails and pieces of shingle. And it's not just here, it's pretty much all over. So I definitely want to get that cleaned off the roof before it ends up in your gutters. So let's work my way over to this other side where I wanted to point out a few other things. So this gutter here is a bit more concerning. Not only does it not have an end cap, but because it doesn't have an end cap, the sharp edge of the gutter is actually digging into the roof. Now, I suppose this is the neighbor's roof that I'm on right now, but this would be this house's gutter. So, but either way, a leak right here could affect both houses. So yeah, I would probably cut that gutter, trim that gutter a little bit, and then put an end cap on there. So I know, I just want to talk about this for a quick second. I know that the builder, this is their spec, this is the way they do it, but I would, you know, recommend that this gutter actually drains that way, and then you have a downspout that goes down the wall there and out. That way you're not having all the water from this whole roof section comes down into here, and then that discharges directly onto the roof covering. So that's a lot of, it's going to be extra wear and tear in that area, and probably a spot where you're going to see some ice build up in the wintertime. So something you could do as an upgrade yourself. The builder will not do that, I would think. So yeah, and then this here, so this part of the shingle, this green part underneath of this line here is, or above this line I should say, is not supposed to be exposed. Not only does it not look good, not that you probably can't see this from the ground, but this part of the shingle doesn't have the thick or coarse granules that this part has, and it's just not meant to be exposed to the sun. So a small strip of shingles right there would fix that up, no problem. So take a look out front. Like I say, everything else seems to be in pretty good shape. Some more nails and shingle scraps. So here's another gutter that doesn't have an end cap. So I'm just gonna hop down here quick. I'm gonna talk about this gutter here. So same thing with this gutter. There's actually so most of the gutter looks good. It's tight up against the fascia, so that's good. But here, it's not. And like I say, you know, here, above the garage door, if that leaks behind there, that's going to be an issue. Even too, like right on top of the electrical panel, you're not going to want water dripping on that as well. So definitely would try to fix this, make sure that's in there tight. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it for the roof.